Hey, Gary here with you. This video is going to be real quick because this is something that's bothered me now for about 5 years. Go to YouTube and search for how to make or how to start making affiliate money for beginners. Essentially, how to start affiliate marketing for beginners. This John Crestani video is not just old at 5 years old, but it's bad advice. 2.1 million people have watched this video and taken this bad advice and have been let down by the bad advice, the old advice in this video that YouTube keeps putting at the top due to their faulty algorithm and the way that people can manipulate it.
Hey, so if you're looking to start affiliate marketing and you are a complete beginner, first of all, I recommend you do check out my introduction series to affiliate marketing. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to get started. We're going to be doing a couple things here. We're going to be the first part of affiliate marketing is joining an affiliate network. And this is where you find products you can sell or link to and make commissions from. First step.
Wrong. The first part of affiliate marketing is not joining an affiliate program. The example he uses in this video, and I'll take it over to ChatGPT like I always do, and I'll break this down for you. Give me a summary. I took the transcript of that video and I gave it to ChatGPT and I asked it to break down the summary with the timestamps. John recommends at 1 minute or 109 between 135, between minutes 109 and 135, John recommends Amazon. Let's break this down. He says to join Amazon. It's your first step. Incorrect. Go to Amazon Associates page. Sign up. The first step is to sign up, but understand what they are or who they are telling to sign up. Join tens of thousands of creators, publishers, and bloggers who are earning with the Amazon Associates program. Creators, publishers, and bloggers. Step 2, share millions of products with your audience that you've built as a creator, as a publisher, as a blogger. So again, the video, this is a summary of the video from ChatGPT. John recommends Amazon and ClickBank as 2 affiliate networks to join based upon his outline, his step-by-step process, which is step 1, join an affiliate network. Step 2, find a specific product to sell. Step 3, sell the products. No, if you go to Amazon and you sign up, they're going to take you through an approval process. How do I qualify for this program? Bloggers, publishers, and content creators with qualifying websites or mobile apps can participate in this program. If you are an influencer with an established social media following, then you can learn more about the Amazon Influencer Program. Understand these frequently asked questions, all of these. These are here to let bloggers, publishers, and content creators, people that have already generated what is called traffic in the world of making money online or getting people over to click your affiliate links based upon, if you're a content marketer, based upon the content that you've created and put out there on the internet. If you are not a content creator and you want to do affiliate marketing, what John Crestani does actually teach is paid traffic. Yes, when you run paid traffic, by all means, go pick an offer, because then you're going to tell that affiliate platform that has that offer, you're going to tell them that you're going to run paid traffic to their offer, and you're going to set the expectation with that marketplace that they're going to approve you because you're going to buy ads. You're going to spend your money and you're going to drive traffic, or you're going to send people, when they see the ad, over to the affiliate product and hope they buy it. So again, old advice because it's 5 years old, bad advice simply just because if you are trying to get started online with affiliate marketing as a beginner and you want to use free traffic, this 3-step process that he outlines, join an affiliate network, go over to Amazon. I simply showed you already that it does not work. You will not get approval to join the Amazon affiliate program or the influencer program. What you need to do is you need a proven strategy, or my proven strategy, the top strategy. You need to generate traffic. You need to pick a topic. You need to understand there's certain tools, tech, and time that is required as a content marketer that's going to do affiliate marketing to create consistent content. as a blogger, as a content creator, as someone that has a social media profile that is generating content and building an audience, then step 2 is to take them over to an offer. And down here at step 1, once you have solidified traffic and you have built this foundation here, then you can go to Amazon, sign up, and then you qualify for the program because you are an established blogger, publisher, or content creator with a website, or you are an influencer with established social media following or a YouTube channel. Check out the link in the description for my affiliating manifesto, which talks about how to actually get started to make money online as an affiliate marketer. It's free. There's no opt-in. Just click the link, check out the page, download the PDF, read it, then let me know what you think in the comments about this reaction to this old video that just straight up, even when it was brand new, was still giving you bad advice. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.